Today I'm going to be reviewing Boxer Studios Sound Dampening Blanket 48 by 72 inches. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So this is definitely really big. This will fit over a door, over a window. It will block out light. It's going to help with sound. So I am moving to a new place. This is going in my studio. One of the best places you can use it is on a door because you have a lot of sound that can get through there. I'm going to have a room with this, and also I've got some of those foam pieces that are going to go up on the wall behind me. So I might get extra ones to put it behind me or on the side, but definitely plenty of use. It's got the diamond pattern in there. These are 5 pounds, so very heavy. It does have grommets, and it also has loops, so you can hang it on a rod on your window or grommets to install it that way. This has reinforced fabric and polyester to prevent tearing, and it can be used for more than just sound dampening. You can also use it for moving. I've actually seen these in elevators and apartments when people are moving to prevent damage to the walls. Another great feature is that this will block out light. So if you are using it by a window, not only are you going to get that sound dampening effect, it's a total blackout. So if you do it right, this is going to black out all the light. So it'll be perfect for your studio. Finally, this gets 4.1 stars. I normally like to see 4.4. So I went through the reviews just to see. Some people said that they didn't get the sound dampening effect. Others said it worked great. I think it's how you use it. And if you're using it right, I think it's going to work for you. Last month, 200 plus of these were sold, and I'm not seeing that they're getting returned. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.